Fast fashion is cheap, but it comes with a ton of problems. Crappy fabric, terrible fit, and nothing ever lasts. And don't even get me started on the environmental issues. So instead of buying a bunch of crappy fast fashion, here are 7 projects to help you revitalize the clothes you already have in your closet or make your own unique pieces from scratch. My beginners love these projects, and the best part is they're super beginner friendly. And if you follow the steps correctly, they only take a few short hours to complete. Now, the fastest, easiest way to start creating clothes that you actually like is to repair ones you already have. This is much easier than starting from scratch and making a whole piece of clothing. So you can do things like shorten your jeans. I'm sure you have a pair in your closet you would love to be wearing, but can't because they're too long. Shortening your pants or jeans is actually like a 30-minute project once you know how to do it. I have an entire video on it right here. This is such a quick and easy way to start enjoying the clothes you already have. Now, another really easy one is to repair ripped jeans. Now, I know these aren't as popular as they used to be. If you still wear them, let me know down in the comments because I still wear mine. You can actually repair this really easily and make it really durable using stretchy elastic thread. And I have an entire video on this right here. And the best part is you don't even need a sewing machine. It's all hand sewing. And then another really helpful one is if you have a skirt or dress in your closet that's a little bit too tight when you're walking, like it's hard to walk and take a full step. This dress I absolutely love, but I could not walk in it. So you can actually add a slit to your skirt and make this so much easier to walk in. And again, I have a video for you on how to do that right here. So these are some really easy ways that we can start making our clothes more sustainable and stop having to buy so much fast fashion. And they're super easy, beginner friendly. They really give you a chance to see if you like the idea of sewing, if there's something you'd be interested in, before you dive in with a full project. But if you've been dreaming of making your own clothes from scratch and just weren't sure how to get started, I've got just what you need. I put together an entire roadmap to take you from absolute beginner, as in unboxing your machine, setting it up, all the way through making and wearing your very first piece of clothing, all in just 6 weeks. So if you would like to start making your own clothes from scratch the fun and easy way, then be sure to check out the pinned comment below. But if you want to kind of play around with this on your own, let's see which projects my students absolutely love. Now, when it comes to sewing your own clothes on your own, you want to start super easy. But easy doesn't necessarily mean ugly or basic or anything like that. These projects that I'm about to show you are projects that I see on a daily basis. They are super popular and I see them every season. So the first one is going to be this gathered skirt. I'm sure you have probably owned one of these at some point. They are popular. You can make them with different layers, different lengths, different fabrics. They fit in so many different wardrobes, and they are literally made by a bunch of rectangles. You just take a bunch of rectangles and sew them together, and you can design the absolute perfect skirt for you. So if you'd like to see how to make that project, check it down in the description. I have a list of all the projects for you there. Maybe skirts aren't your thing. Maybe you're more of a pants person. And if you're anything like me, you struggle to find pants that actually fit you the way you like. I have got great news, okay? Do you have a pair of elastic waist pants in your closet right now that you actually like the fit of? This can be pajama pants, it can be sports shorts, it doesn't matter as long as they have an elastic waist. If you do, you can actually take these, trace them, and create what's called a pattern. Then you just trace this onto any fabric you want and create new pants that fit perfectly. I absolutely love doing this because it means I don't have to go to the store and try on all these different brands and sizes and try to figure out what fits. You can skip all of that. Take a pair of pants you already love and just duplicate them. And one of the best parts about this is these pants are, one, great for summertime because they're loose fit, they're flowy, they're so nice. They can also be dressed for so many different styles. They can be dressed down, casual, linen for summer. They can be pajama pants. They can be these long dressed up pants for work or kind of fashiony looking. That's what I personally really like. Or chop them off, make them shorts. They're so cute and versatile, and you can make them with any fabric you can find. One of my other secrets for making my own clothes is actually thrifting old bed sheets. They make beautiful clothing and they have so many fun colors and prints. Because let's look at this. This is a really high-end pair of pants that you would never find at a good price. This is like crazy expensive. But you could just get a bed sheet with a similar print and make these for a fraction of the cost. Oh, this is one of my absolute favorite projects. We talked about skirts, we talked about pants. Now let's talk about tops. There are two really easy tops you can make as an absolute beginner, and they are either a tank top like this or a long sleeved version. These are both made just using rectangles. Nothing crazy is going on here. I have an entire step-by-step tutorial. You can find it below. And I love these because they really do work, again, for so many different closets. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. And what's even my favorite part ever, you guys, take this tank top, pair it with these pants, and you have an adorable high-end pajama set. Like if you went and bought this, it would be so expensive. But with an old bed sheet, like we already talked about, you can make this for pennies. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. I'm going to be adding some of these to my closet this summer. So these are just some of the really fun, easy ways that you can start creating a sustainable closet, and you can stop having to put up with whatever junk fast fashion is coming out with right now. So I hope this has given you a whole bunch of ideas and inspiration to start making clothes you actually enjoy wearing. Don't forget, if you would like help on your sewing journey, to check out the pinned comment below. And until the next one, happy sewing!